So as I was saying, man, I was interrupted. I needed more storage on the SD card. Anyways, this thing is a beast, man. Just right here, in amps, I'm strapping 2500, so that's 15, that's 30,000, essentially 35,000 watts, just right there, man. All braced up. This thing will sound great. PSI 18s. You know, I know they have good subwoofers. I've never bought any from them, but you know, I definitely would like to. I've seen some of their work. They have really good subs. Anyways, again, one rectangular design, as I always try to do, unless space is an issue because of sound quality, in my opinion. A lot of bracing underneath. These 18s are heavy. Majority of comp 18s are 80 plus pounds all the way up to 120 pounds, 110 pounds each. Probably go with these are definitely 1 ohm stable, so I would go dual ones on 18s. Really not sure on you know, of course, the same amount of batteries on the other side, same everything. D blocks, probably do like a 360 signal processor here, or whatever works for the application, man. Not prejudiced on anything really, as far as manufacturers. You know, 12 to 20 volts is pretty much all the same, man. These really are really nice sound quality amps, so I know PSI makes a really nice subwoofer. I just try to mix it up, you know, just showing the company. Check out that website again, southernsounds2zs.webs.com. As you can see, man, I'm no joke. You know, there's a lot of options on the website. For example, like all these corners that can be rounded off, really make it look like it's like part of the inside of the vehicle. Paint, you know, anything, carpet, you know. And the best thing about me designing is that, you know, you can really see, literally, virtually, exactly what you're getting before it's put together, measurement wise, cosmetic wise. You know, that way there's no problems. But yeah, a lot of bracing in here. I went with 2-inch underneath, inside. Show you a little bit. I went with 1-inch in here, just to kind of keep it more formal for the actual layout of the power and the drivers. There is a total of 5 total upward, and 4 times 3, 12. 12 in the lower section. Let me just change something while I got this here. There we go. But it's nice, man. This thing is strong. As you can see, the bracing actually, I don't like bracing inside of the port. You can do that, but it will make a noise, almost like a whistling sound, which I don't like. That's why I don't use round ports much, man, unless it's a perfectly symmetrical metal crafted round port. It's the only way you're not going to get noise out of it. As you can see, the port actually you know, extends past, or excuse me, underneath, because this port will move, man, because it doesn't have bracing on the sides. So air's flowing all around this, underneath of it and underneath, as well as tremendous amount of pressure from the, again, the negative signal from the sub. That bad boy will move air. You want to talk about hair tricks. For example, this is going to sit like this, right? And then just literally right here, there's seating, you know, essentially a 2-seater. So you have, you know, the driver, of course, right here, and then the passenger here. You can only imagine what this space, I don't even know the cube on it yet, will the amount of air that this thing will move from here to this point. I mean, look how large this is, and you know, a person standing right here. I mean, this is almost one of them enclosures you couldn't sit in. I mean, you see some of the guys, you know, 12 of these things, you know what I mean, 10 of these things, even, you know, anything. I mean, this is only 6, but I mean, imagine like 8 and above. Really, man, these things are crazy. I mean, you're looking at 30,000. Anything 20,000 and over, man, is nuts. I mean, this thing's a monster for real. But as far as SPL comp records are concerned, it's intermediate still. But sound quality, you know, everything. Once again, Southern Soundz, man. Check out that website, southernsoundz2zs.webs.com. It's where sound quality meets SPL. So that's what this box is, man. Straight up. I mean, I will put this bad boy up against anyone. You kerf these ends, you kerf this, and you kerf this, or I should say round over, not really kerfed, but round over all of this. I'm telling you, man. You could even just keep the tailgate closed up and lift the lid up, man, and both windows. It might even break the damn windshield, but sound really good doing it. So yeah, there it is, man. Another Southern Soundz enclosure. Strong SPL sound quality. Check out the website. I'm gonna have it up in as soon as possible. And thank you very much for watching.